Right, question 56 is asking us to solve the system of equations by graphing. So I'm going to start by finding the intercepts. That's the easiest way for me to graph this. So we've got, if we set x equal to 0, that's going to give us 3y equals 5, or y equals 5/3. So one point is going to be 0, 5/3. And the next one, let's do, I'm still on this equation right here. Let's do x plus 3 times 0 equals 5. So my next point is going to be 5, 0. So let me go ahead and plot that out. And we've got 5/3 and 5. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 and 5/3, so that's going to be 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, right about there. And 0, 5, so it's going to come to here. So that's our, let's call that line A. There's line A. And line B, let me write it over here. We've got 3x minus 3y equals 3. So we're going to let's set x equal to 0. So we've got 3 times 0 equals negative 3y equals 3, or y equals negative 1. So that point is 0, negative 1. So we're right there. And now we'll do 3x minus 3 times 0 equals 3. That's going to give us our x-intercept. So we've got 3x equals 3, or x equals 1. So we're going to go here, and then we're going to draw our graph right here. So this point right here is our intersection, and that my graph is a little wonky, but if I had drawn this maybe a little bit nicer, that's going to be at point 2, 1. So that's our graphical version of solving the system of equations. And now let's do 58. This one is asking us to solve by substitution. So we can take negative x plus y equals negative 2, and x plus 2y equals 5. This one to me looks like it's the easiest to isolate a certain variable. This one is 2. It doesn't really matter which one you pick, but I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. So I've got x equals 5 minus 2y. And now I'm going to substitute this into the first equation. So that's going to be negative 5 minus 2y plus y equals negative 2, or negative 5 plus 2y plus y equals negative 2. And now I'll add 5 to both sides and combine these. It's going to give me 3y equals 3, or y equals 1. And now that I know that y equals 1, I can just plug it into one of the equations. So let's just plug it into this one for simplicity. So it's going to give us negative x plus 1 equals negative 2. Negative x equals negative 3, or x equals 3. So our point is 3, 1, where these graphs meet for number 58.